Our platform's reporting tool, Insights, quickly generates plots of your alarm statistics to help you better understand exactly what's happening in your organization. To get started, select the Insights button from the menu. We'll begin by selecting a report. In this case, I'm interested in finding the busiest times of day, so I'll choose Alarm Count by Hour. By default, a report gives information from all areas over the past 7 days. This duration can be changed from the drop-down menu here. But right now, I'm only interested in data from a specific area during the month of January, so I'll click the Alarm Filter button and update the area and time frame specified. There are a number of additional options to narrow the search, such as which operator processed the event, the outcome assigned, and the type of event, but we can leave those blank as a wildcard. Just like that, it's easy to see my business has high traffic every weekday at 9 a.m., with a large spike on Sundays at noon. After starting a report, you'll notice the lock button becomes highlighted. This prevents your search options from resetting when choosing a different report type. Clicking on a particular column will drill down for more detailed information. Event data can be presented as a bar graph, a line plot, a pie chart, or in list format using the toggle in the upper right. Here you can also download the data as a CSV file or generate a link to share this report to other authorized users. The Performance section is designed to identify bottlenecks in response time, as well as key players in your security team. The first button, Alarm Count by Operator, will show each operator's name and the number of alarms they're responsible for processing. The following two buttons present the average processing time, either by area or by operator. Processing time is how long an event took to close after it's been picked up. Finally, the last two buttons show average response time by area or operator. This is how long an event remained in the queue before being started.